Hello and welcome to today's training. We're going to take a look at using the if function in Excel. The if function is a logical test that compares the value of one cell to another cell, or whatever logical test is reasonable for your particular needs. But in this case, I'm going to have Excel compare the value of the sales total to check and see if that sales total is greater than or equal to the sales goal. It's a yes or no question. In this case, for row 6, the answer would be yes. So then I want to provide my second argument, which will then multiply the sales total times the bonus. Now, in the event that the sales total did not meet our test of being greater than or equal to the sales total, I want Excel to display nothing. All right, so that's what the if function is going to do for us. We'll do that by creating a formula using these steps and values that I just pasted on the screen. All formulas always start with an equal sign, and then functions start with a word, and I'm going to put in the word if. Typing in the name of the function, I see a list of if functions, and the one that's highlighted displays the description of what the function does. I type the parenthesis, and then I get my prompts for what arguments are needed first. I need the logical test. I want Excel to look at this cell, A6, and see, compare it greater than or equal to the value of what's in B1. And because I want to copy my formula down more than one row, I'm going to lock cell B1 to an absolute reference. And then I'm going to type the comma, because the comma is what Excel recognizes separates one argument from the next. If that test of A6 being greater than or equal to B1, if that's true, I want Excel to use the value in cell C6, or A6, and multiply it times the value in B2. And again, I'm going to lock the cell reference for B2 with the absolute reference and type the comma again. The second comma now has me ready for the third argument, which is where I tell Excel what to display if the test is false, and that's going to be a 0. And then I close the function. Every function has to have the opening and closing parenthesis. And I can press enter, and $200 times 10% is in fact $20. If the sales total were only $100, the bonus automatically updates to 0. If it were $1,000, the bonus automatically updates to $100. So I just ran a couple tests there to confirm it does what I want. Now I could copy my cell B6 using the fill handle. I'm going to double click, which copies the formula all the way down my list, and I can see that it does in fact work as planned. So that's a very simple if formula, comparing the value of one cell to another cell. Displaying one answer if that test was true, displaying another answer if that test was false. If you have any questions or would like help working with your own if functions, you can reach out, give me a call, shoot me an email, and we can coordinate a time. Thanks a lot, good luck, and I'll see you next time. Bye.